Need to import multiple sales receipts into QuickBooks Online without manual entry? SaasAnt Transactions Online lets you bulk import sales receipts using Excel or CSV, helping businesses, accountants, and bookkeepers save time, reduce errors, and quickly update customer, item, tax, amount, and date information. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. First, open the Excel file that contains your sales receipts. Make sure it has all the required columns, such as date, customer name, product or service, amount, and other necessary details. It is important to keep the data clean and correctly formatted so the import works smoothly. Next, open the SaasAnt product page using the link in the description. As you go through the page, you can get a quick overview of the product and the different types of data you can import into QuickBooks Online. When you are ready, click Start Free Trial. You will be redirected to the secure QuickBooks login page. If you are already logged in, just choose the QuickBooks company you want to connect with SaasAnt Transactions Online. Once the setup is complete, you will land on the main dashboard of SaasAnt Transactions Online. From here, click Start Your Import. Then select Sales Receipts as the transaction type and choose the Excel or CSV file you want to upload. Now map the columns from your file to the matching fields in QuickBooks Online. Check that the date, customer name, product or service, amount, and other required details are mapped correctly. SaasAnt will usually detect the headers automatically and display a preview, making it easier to review everything before moving to the next step. Now review the file summary in SaasAnt and make sure everything is mapped correctly. Take a moment to check the data before continuing. Once you are ready, click Upload. SaasAnt will then import your sales receipts into QuickBooks Online. Once the import is finished, click Show Results to review the imported transactions. You can also verify each sales receipt in QuickBooks Online by using the Transaction Response ID icons. This lets you confirm that everything was imported correctly. And that's it! Your sales receipts are now successfully imported into QuickBooks Online. If you imported the wrong file, missed required information, uploaded duplicate data, or matched fields incorrectly, you can use SaasAnt's Undo feature to quickly remove the wrongly imported entries. Possible import errors and fixes while importing sales receipts into QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt. Customer name not found in QuickBooks Online. If the customer in your file does not exist in QuickBooks Online, SaasAnt can create it automatically. To do this, go to Settings and enable Create Customers, Vendors, Locations, Classes, and Accounts automatically. Save the setting, then re-upload the failed rows. SaasAnt will create the missing customer during import. Incorrect date format. If the date format in your file is not supported, update the date column to a valid format, such as MMDDYYYY, before importing again. That's how you can import sales receipts into QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt Transactions Online. With a properly formatted Excel or CSV file, you can save time, reduce manual work, and upload sales receipts accurately in bulk. Try SaasAnt Transactions free for 30 days today.